Day one complete. Yeah, the fenders, grill, and the hood. Hoods are here. Hood needs a little love on those little ribs. But man, just look how nice this is. Frame's nice, even these. I mean, these, yeah. So day one complete. Here's the fenders, bottom cowl, radiator cover, grill. Yep, there we go. Open the headlight assemblies under there. So, but fantastic. Had to pull that out today. Had a couple little stubborn, those straights. Man. But it got it. So that is it. Day one complete of the 34. Tomorrow I'm going to try to get the running board, that one off, and probably the doors. And then we can just kind of start doing a little prepping, doing a little body work. Fenders are actually really nice. They just need a couple little skims here and there. But there it is. Day one. And whoever's watching, thanks.